Alrighty everyone, so I actually just wanted to come and make a very quick video to talk about discussion. So the discussion posts are really important. They are really quick, but because we are not in our traditional classroom, I really wanted to emphasize the importance of discussion because in English class that really is the biggest part of everything. So I have made discussion posts the biggest part of your grade right now. So if you're missing any of the discussion posts and you're wondering, why does my grade look like this? It's probably due to that. Either you did not do the discussion post at all, or you did not do it completely and correctly. So before I jump into some tips for people who are feeling shy about showing their face, I do want you to make sure that you're going on Google Classroom to see if I've left you any feedback, because we have had a discussion on Distance Learning Day 17. We also did one on Distance Learning Day 29, and then we're doing this one for today, Day 37. And make sure that you have both left a video response and that you replied to at least one other classmate. People forget that part, especially if you're someone who's posting early. Make sure you remember to go back and reply to someone at some point that day or the next day. So for people who are feeling shy about showing their faces, there are some things you can do here. So when you click to record your response, the box pops up. I actually have my camera covered right now, so oops, I lost myself. There we are. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and, before clicking record, look at some of these options here. So if you go to board, you can actually give yourself a blank background here, and then you can overlay that with the text button. So click on the A here, that's for text, and choose your style. And so then you would just begin typing your response to whatever that day's questions are. So as you can see, it's quite large. So what you can do is when you click off and then go back, you can see it changed to this kind of multi-directional arrow. And you can drag this over, click the cursor over here, and you can drag it to inward to make it smaller. And then when you're ready to continue typing, just double click or click one time until you see that blinking cursor again, and you'll be able to continue typing your response. When you're ready to record, you have written it all. You're going to actually go ahead and click record. And now you can read what you have written out loud. So you don't have to show your face, but I would like you to actually read out loud your reply to the post. Okay? And then you would just go ahead and continue that as normal and post it. So hopefully this will help those of you that are feeling shy about showing your face, so that you can actually get those points for the discussion posts.